Now more than ever, people are worried about their health and wellness. It's vital to care for your body, not just physically, but mentally too. So here are a few tips to keep you at your healthiest, both inside and out. Personal hygiene has never been as important as it is right now. You may be washing your hands regularly, but it's just as necessary to clean the rest of you too. Use a hydrating cleansing bar like Dove's Beauty Bathing Bar to cleanse your skin while leaving it soft, smooth, and nourished. Maintaining your personal hygiene is the ultimate way to show that you care not only for yourself and your loved ones, but the entire world too. Our bodies are definitely a temple, and the food we put into it can make a huge difference to our well-being. Water and hydrating liquids are key in keeping you healthy, hydrated, and less likely to fall ill. You should also make sure all your meals feature some leafy greens and salads for a boost of vitamin E and A, along with a healthy helping of vitamin C-rich foods that will also help prevent colds and coughs. Finally, stick to a protein-rich diet full of lentils and meat, and don't forget to throw in our favorite immunity-boosting spices like garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Stay productive at home by sticking to a daily routine, but remember to give yourself some me time too. If you're working from home, remember to take a break every 2 hours to stretch, focusing on your neck, shoulders, and wrists, as these areas tend to get sore quickly. You should also find 10 minutes daily for a basic workout routine with easy exercises that you can follow at home, like jogging or crunches to get your blood flowing. Set realistic goals that you can meet every week to give yourself something to work towards. And don't forget, your mental well-being is just as important as your physical health. So keep yourself not only productive but positive too by taking up mood-boosting hobbies for 1 hour daily, whether it's reading, cooking, music, or arts and crafts. The next time you're experiencing insomnia, try this amazing recipe for soothing and immunity-boosting turmeric milk. Mix together 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of almond paste, a couple cardamom balls, some honey, and finally our hero ingredient, turmeric. These ingredients combine to create a delicious, sleep-inducing drink that will have you drifting off in no time. And finally, stay connected with the world and your loved ones through this time with digital communities, video chats, and even online games. You can also donate to fundraising groups that are trying to make things better for those in need. After all, we're all in this together. We hope you follow these tips to keep your skin, body, and mind at its healthiest and happiest, even in the most difficult of times. Until next time, stay tuned, stay safe, and stay glamorous.